these valves, tricuspid valves, are held in place by the chordae tendineae, the strings we can see, the string-like structures. The string-like structures, and these are also held in place by the papillary muscles, which we can see here. Papillary muscles, yeah, a bit right here. And the papillary muscles are embedded in the ventricles. Okay, so putting our finger through along the septum, we can see the structure of the pulmonary trunk. Okay, so putting our finger through the septum, it takes us to the pulmonary trunk, which transports blood from the right ventricle through this trunk, then to the lungs to be oxygenated before it comes back. So this is the structure of the pug heart. So now our blood is going to the lungs for oxygenation. Then afterwards we examine the right side of the heart. But before that, we have the coronary sinus. I'll just make an incision so we can examine it. Okay, we have the coronary sinus. We have the coronary sinus, which drains blood along with the superior inferior vena cava. It drains deoxygenated blood. And when we look through the coronary sinus, we can see pinpoint holes, and these are the veins that drain. Blood comes through this way, through those veins, into the right atrium. I don't have much blood here, but we can see those points here. And we can also examine the right ventricle as well before we proceed to the lungs. So we can clearly see valves. Okay, so here we can clearly see the valves, which is held in place by the chordae tendineae and the papillary muscles. There's another one here, and there's another one there. These valves prevent backflow of blood into the atria when the ventricle relaxes during diastole. Okay. So when blood flows into the right atrium, it goes through to the right ventricle, then through to the pulmonary trunk, then to the lungs. So now our blood is going to the lungs through the pulmonary trunk for oxygenation. So it's going through the pulmonary trunk to the lungs for oxygenation. So this is my heart. So now we examine the left side of the heart.